What is up, YouTube? It's BellJ290 back with another video.
Yeah! Let's go, boy!
We're going to Walmart, and we're gonna go on the intercom and make the sex noises. And, yeah, and then what we're gonna do is keep the intercom on, so nobody could use it, until they find the phone that has the intercom on.
So it's fucking Thursday, we got a nice ass long weekend out here. We got 5 days off, fucking right. Got pissed drunk tonight. Fucking going whitewater rafting this weekend. It's gonna be fucking great. Can't wait to fucking get the bottles out. Start pulling out all your joints. Puff her down, bud. It's go time. Every day's a fucking Friday over here in Ottawa.
What's this? Sounds like a paramedic. Because it is paramedic. Alright, guys.
I killed him, I'm sorry.
Alright, guys, we'll see you at Walmart. Peace out. What's up, YouTube? As you can see, we're getting close to Walmart now, and we just found this car with fucking eyelashes. What the fuck is this?
Well then.
I know, right, bud? Why are these skirts in the middle of the road? Like, fuck.
Anyways, quick shout out to everybody, all our supporters.
We're doing these fucking shoutouts at the end of the video. Fuck off. This guy trying to do shoutouts in the middle of the video. He wanted me to do it like before we got here. I'm like, no, at the end.
I don't know how YouTube works, for fuck's sakes.
Shoutouts go at the end, dumbass.
It's like a bunch of fucking equations.
You gonna fucking hit me, lady? Alright, guys, we're walking to Walmart. We got about 8 minutes. We told a bunch of people in our school to come to Walmart and listen to the prank. Then I told them 2 o'clock, so we're waiting.
They said they're posting up, so let's go!
So we're waiting until 2 o'clock before we do this. And we got about 8 minutes. So, yeah. See you guys soon. Alright, guys, we're gonna buy some milkshakes, so I'll wait until the time to come. So, see you soon. See the sign? We're moving it.
Wait, you got receipts for these?
Yeah?
Good.
Don't worry, I didn't trash it. I put it on the trash can, but I didn't trash it.
Oh, should've.
I know. Don't worry, you'll see the video after. Hey guys, so I think I showed you guys we're buying a couple shakes. I got one in my pocket here. We're leaving Walmart, and fucking Loblaws wanted to see the receipt. Like, why? It's fucking drink. Like,
fucking
here's
juice.
my receipt, you fucking juice.
And by the way, it's not Loblaws, it's Walmart to correct
Oh my
me, but
fucking god.
anyways, they're fucking juice.
Yeah. Alright, whatever. Alright guys, we're walking to the phone now, so here comes that prank. And here we are. Huh? Who cares? Do it.
You typed it in.
Alright, let's just wait till the lady leaves. From under here. Where you going, bud? Yo, he's gonna do some sex noises, and so am I. Like, he's gonna do some, and then pass me the phone. Alright, we're gonna see you guys when this person leaves.
I want one like my new hat. His name is Bob. Bob the Jacker.
Alright, here you go. Here. Star 651.
Oh yeah, Daddy. Fuck me harder. Oh boy.
Alright, let's go to the other phone, and I'm gonna go back on. Come here. Never mind that guy. I was gonna go to the other one and do it again and say subscribe to BellJ290. Alright, that guy's looking around. Alright, let's go to another phone over here.
Wait, I got kicked out here in the snow, dude.
Yeah, I know.
That's the challenge, did you hear him?
Wait, let's go. I don't know where he went though. But he doesn't want to be on the video. Oh, that. Oh, here it is. Wait, let's just go back to the one we're at. Fuck it.
No, that's too sketchy.
No,
It's way too sketchy.
no one. They're not gonna know which phone did that. And then what we could do is come back here and enter a comm on there, and then no one could use that phone. Like no one could intercom. Because if one is on the intercom, no one can use it. Alright. Here it comes. Speaking. What? There's one there anyways. Where you going? Yo, the music's shut off. Because I entered the car. Alright, let's do it. Oh, wait.
Real sketchy.
How? Oh, it's the manager.
Okay, we should go there.
Subscribe to LJ29 on YouTube. Thanks and have a great day. Do you think we should go to the other phone and enter the code so no one can use it? Where is it? Yeah, let's do it. Greg! Alright guys. When the phone was ringing, it was the manager. Oh. When the phone was ringing, it was the manager. Alright guys, we're getting out of here. Alright, so yeah. Alright guys, that was about it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. We got on the intercom yet again. And yeah, so remember, subscribe to BellJ290 on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks and have a great day.